Hi guys, I am Dr. Sampath. I am going to teach you anesthesia. So today's topic is history of anesthesia. We need to know some scientists in anesthesia. Mainly, I have shared you a picture. He is the father of anesthesia. Father of anesthesia, WTG Morton. So full name is William Thomas Green Morton. Why he is called father of anesthesia means he demonstrated first anesthesia with the ether in a public meeting. So he is called as father of anesthesia. So it was on 16th October 1846. So WTG Morton is a father of anesthesia and World Anesthesia Day is 16th October. So what is the ether? Ether is a inhalational agent. So we have different types of anesthesia, that is IV induction agent, inhalational agents. So you will come to know in later classes. So next, he is the first scientist. I shared you the picture, WTG Morton. Okay, they match the picture. Next, Joseph Presley. Came up with the idea of gaseous agents like nitrous oxide and oxygen. So most commonly used in anesthesia, nitrous oxide and oxygen. So what is the effect of nitrous oxide in anesthesia? It gives pain relief. So pain relief. Next is McEwen. First elective intubation was done by him. So McEwen, first elective intubation was done by him. The fourth scientist is Farrell Griffith. He developed the first neuromuscular blocker. D-tuberculin. Now it is not used because it has side effects. Side effects like histamine releasing. So you know the muscle relaxants, na? That is depolarizing and non-depolarizing. Depolarizing and non-depolarizing. So we'll study regarding this in next topic. Okay, it is neuromuscular blocking agents. Next, first local anesthetic was introduced by Dr. coral collar, that is cocaine. Cocaine is a vasoconstrictor. Only local anesthetic agent which is vasoconstrictor. Local anesthetic agent is vasoconstrictor is cocaine. Most commonly asked question. So cocaine is a vasoconstrictor and it is local anesthetic. So again, local anesthetics are divided on the basis of amides and esters. We have other session on this topic. Okay, I'll briefly explain at that time. Next, the sixth scientist, August Baer, gave the first spinal anesthesia. So you know that general anesthesia, spinal anesthesia and local anesthesia, they have divided in various modes. So first spinal anesthesia given by August Baer. So next, seventh scientist is Jackson. He introduced first laryngoscope. So it was modified by two scientists. It is Miller and McIntosh. So they kept their names to these laryngoscopes. So Miller is a straight blade laryngoscope, most commonly used for neonate and pediatric babies. And McIntosh, it is most commonly used for adults. Nowadays they are asking picture based questions. They may ask this picture like laryngoscope. So